melee or semi-range knight, Sovereign.
Fuck bro, may IP to shit.
Dismount.
Heal
Wala
nila
ba,
kay
sige.
Ledo.
Kung ko natay.
Rigul here.
Spread. Ade uphill. Oh, the uphill. Comes out. Move south. Careful over the wall. Oy, di tank. 20 PK there, bro. Di tank, hey. Niga, I have one. Oh my god, is the tank, bro.
Here,
Who that guy?
Beholding choke north. 6.
Okay. Come northwest.
Guys, customer waiting tunnel.
Oh, crimp fight day, bro. What the fuck?
Heal.
Yo, look kay shallow northeast, quick engage northeast in 3, 2, 1. Quick engage northeast. On the front only. Come back. Ready defend. Come southwest. Kill this guy. I mark one ditang. Kill this guy. Yo, defend. Nice defend. Come back. Finish the depth tank.
Busog kami.
Come back. Come back. Spread guys. Come more southwest. David, go for overstay. Move, David. Oh my god. Boom. Look, counter bomb in southwest 3, 2, 1, southwest bomb. Yo, ditang please, watch the bomb. Come back. Come back. Again. I need ditang watching the southeast side, bro. Wait. VCD. Wait. Chill, guys, chill. We cool down.
Spear the kidnap.
Facing Malak.
Right.
Look east side, ready east side na. East side down hill in 3, 2, 1, southeast now. Okay, come back. Hill east side, come back guys, come back. They looking. Okay, come back. Okay. I need data watching the sides, bro. Why not don't need the focus?
Move coming.
Hill front. 8 seconds. Oh, I want that toes. What? Wait, bomb. Counter bomb in 3, 2, 1. Northeast on choke now. On the choke now. Hit the choke. Finish the kill. Okay, come back. There will strike die. Come back. Spread a bit, guys. You're clumping too much. Come back west. Yo, defend Narkis. Nice defend. Oh my god, so good. Come back. Spread, guys. Spread. Bomb. Kill the bomb. Kill this guy. Spread, guys. Spread again. Don't stacking either. Yo, can we kill this guy inside? Bomb. Left tank, watch that please. Watch that. Left tank.
I'll watch them.
Wait, engaging. Hill choke. Looking choke counter in 3, 2, 1. On the choke na. Shallow only. Good job. Come back now. Come back pass. Come back and spread. Declamp. Fuck bro, you're gonna sound like Henry soon. Spread.
You're getting orgasm, ah.
Ito sexy go.
Spread. Heal up first.
I don't see the FS in southwest.
Heal bomb. Ready counter choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter choke na. Okay, come back. Finish the kill and come back plus. Declamp. Heal the front. Heal shield. Mali. 10 seconds.
Kami back pa.
Wait, spread. You're clumping, bro.
Nag-anchor cream pa yan sa tunnel. Sa background.
Go, Dustin.
Yo, the
Wait.
FS increase keep rotating. Careful.
Okay. Wait, ready shallow choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow choke na. Shallow now. Okay, heal front. Bam. Come back. Declamp. You're clumping. Spread more.
Bracer southwest, you just dismounted on
Bracer
us.
southwest.
Envy bomb.
Guardian inside. Pop guardian inside.
He in peace now. From
Guardian.
south.
Hey, depth tank, we have so many guardian. Where are you?
I cancel it.
Okay, look southwest in 3, 2. On the choke, ready. 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. Okay, nice. Come back. Cleanse. Come back. Defend choke. Kill choke. Come back. Come back, guys. Come back. Kill the choke. Come back. Please, come back. Heal up first. 5 seconds, ready. Wait. Bomb inside. Yo, guardian
Ayo,
inside. Guardian. Yo, look at this bomber inside. I mark in 3, 2, 1 on the bomber. Bomber now. Okay, nice. Come back. Spread. Declamp. Uy, declamp.
Bro. Ay, disconnect.
Spread.
Iba me.
Wait. Spread. Cleanse on the north. Defend north. Heal. Wait. Spread. Come more southwest. Pull them more. I'm waiting for the solo bomber, bro.
Yung Niga hug the southwest, bro. Di ko na...
Come more southwest, guys. Come more southwest. I'm waiting for the solo bomber to walk in. Wait. Look this side in 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. Hit this. You seated? Not dead. Come back. Come back, guys. Come back. Cleanse. Okay, nice. Depend.
Ay, BMS to.
What the fuck?
Oh,
There's so
okay.
many golem, bro. Come back.
The brim.
Guardian.
This side.
Careful, east wall.
Come back, guys. Come back. Don't overextend.
Wait, iba me.
Look, choke in 3, 2, 1 on the choke now. Shallowly. Come back. Nice. Declamp. Come back and declamp. Come back, guys. Don't overextend. Come back, guys. Careful over the wall. Careful.
Eh, brim dropping ya.
Spread. Heal. Front. Ditang, please. Don't overextend, bro. Come back.
I can invite you. You're busy, David. You're busy. I can invite you.
Wait. Come more southwest. Shipper. Ay.
Oh, stop talking
Come back. Come back. Engaging. Ready counter northeast. Wait. Northeast in 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Hit this. Okay, come back. Good. Come back.
Yung brim looking ah. Wow. Brim must cool down. Is wall.
Come back, guys. Come back. Please, come back. Heal up first. Wait for CD. 10 seconds. Come back.
Hey, go
Wait.
to combat, David, so I can invite you.
Wait.
Eh, brace sa Rainvy ah. Sa flanking. South. Southwest.
Wait. Chill. Ready counter northeast in 3, 2, 1. Northeast now.
Brace sa Rain side ah. Dismounted.
Okay, come back. Guardian inside. Guardian inside. Bracer inside. Guardian.
Focus na Niga bro.
Where the fuck he go?
BMS. Fuck Niga.
Ready on the choke in 3, 2, 1. On the choke na. Okay. He almost dead. We come back. Declamp again. Come back and declamp. He dead.
Cool down. Backside they have cool down.
Come back. Wait for CD. Okay, heal inside. Come back, eh.
Gonna hit ya.
David, come back. Bamba, south. Ready counter south in 3, 2, 1. South now. Clap this shit on the south. Fuck. Okay. Mark lock on southeast ah. Wait. Need scout on mark lock. What is this?
I'm looking.
Dito watch northeast. Wait. I need to know what this mark is.
Dito na look shallow.
Come back. Wait. Engaging. Wait.
Not yet.
What is this mark lock?
Everyone group.
Okay. Heal. Front. Ready counter choke. In 3, 2, 1. Counter choke na. On the choke only. Okay, come back. Come back. Spread. Cleanse on the choke. Cleanse. Spread. Guys, you clamping. Declamp. Guys. Declamp. Come back. Careful. You might get touch again, guys. Come on. Spread. Don't be on the wall, bro. Look. Heal Sanin.
Yo, bomb squad, cooldown ya. They have cooldown.
Yep. Wait. Yo, lol. Wait. We need one guardian armor walking, ha? Wait.
Go up the west, Nick, go up the west.
Defend.
Brim, the brim.
Waiting for bomb squad, bro.
Okay.
Yung bomb squad not walking in yet.
The brim drop, yeah.
Oh, Mark Lock ka na, engage on them, bro. Wait.
That's random,
White
bro.
lock is organized, but cheater gear niya.
Yeah.
Ay,
Don't worry. They can clap.
Hey,
wait.
Spread.
Guardian inside. Spread. Guardian inside. Wait. Hold them more, guys. Yo, heal Northeast. Come back. Heal. Engaging, defend. Ready, counter choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke na. Drop everything you have on the choke. Drop everything you have. Yeah, their bomb squad, Clumper dead. Come back. Come back. Please. Come back. Wait. 5 seconds. Wait. Start engage. Wait.
Bomb squad may look, yeah. Careful on the east side wall.
Wait. Wait, guys. Wait. Chill. Stay downhill first. Wait. Bomb. Brim. Wait. Ready. Shadow Northeast, ha. Wait. Ready. Shadow Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hard north. Delete this. Nice. Come back pass. Come back.
Drop hill yun.
Come back.
Oh, bro, I have no spec, bro. It's hard. I'll squeeze your smack, boss.
Wait.
Yo, the brim looking.
Okay. Wait, look at the brim in 3, 2, 1. On the brim now. Dead, Nigar. Come back, defend now. Guardian armor inside. Guardian inside. Come back. Full southwest. Defend the choke. Come back. Full southwest, guys. Don't overstay. Come back.
Okay pa.
Killer dito. Heal. Heal up. Ready Northeast again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side now. Okay. Come back. Please, come back. Come back, guys. RD tank dying, bro. Come back, please. Come back. Come back, guys. I'm healing. I'm got knight armor for you guys. Just go back. Don't overextend. Come back.
Okay, I'm good now.
Wait. Don't clamp. Tiklam, bro.
10 seconds hill yun, Hood.
Against the low. Unlag, puta.
Why is this? I thought this smart lock cheater. Why the...
You can ninja, bro.
Ready counter bomb in 3, 2, 1. On the bomb now. Catch the bomb. Catch the bombers. Okay, spread. Come northeast now. Walking. Walking northeast. Walking.
On the ping, they're backline, on the ping, red ping.
Are they downhill?
They uphill now, they uphill.
Okay, come south.
They're uphill.
Come east.
East of the outpost. They east of the outpost.
Northeast. Spread, guys. Spread. Come east.
They already on the
Come southeast. Come southeast.
Outpost.
We're wrapping. Come southeast. Ready south. Hard south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now. South. Nice. Shaper. Come southwest. Walking now. Walking southwest. Ready headbutt. Come southwest. 10 seconds. Depend now. Ready on the choke. Southwest in 3, 2, 1. Southwest choke now, guys. Southwest choke now. Full push southeast. Full push now. Collapse on them.
They down the choke.
Walk in southeast. Collapse on them na.
They run actually. On the ping. Two people.
Just give me my money.
Mine.
Where is mine, Cho? Fuck, Northeast. Fuck, he died.
Mine.
Wait, how David died to bomb, bro?
He's lagging.
Bro, I died on the choke, bro.
What the fuck? Losing still died on Martlock ko to.
Kibal.
David Chinsanin died together, bro. Oh my
Bro,
god.
losing died to
I
Martlock.
think
Wait, how?
no, I
Wait.
think Gojing DC on that.
Oh.
What?
Bro, I blind and DC like 2 times.
Okay, David, we died, bro. We died.
Black.
Yo, Martok, bro. Can we kill this shit, bro?
We died on the choke, bro.
No, they ran already, got exploded.
I think I can catch.
I have classic, but I spam and then it's not popping, bro.
I catch one. Kill this
Bro,
nigga.
I just walk in, bro. Then all of a sudden my screen was
Hey,
like
DPS, tag him, bro. Hey,
respond to Bew, eh.
hit him. Yes, loot, bro. Yes, loot. Kill that guy.
Game is Passion Wolf, guys. Passion Wolf.
Wait, guys, no. Catch, bro. Catch. Nice.
Hello, David.
Welcome to Tedford.
Welcome to Tedford, bro.